Good morning, students. In the last class, we are discussing about the basic concept of the sounds, that is vowel, semi-vowel, as well as the consonants, and you learned detailedly with the definitions. Next unit of the grammar is to be called as word. Word means a group of letter which gives the full meaning. So this is the second step of the grammar. The group of the words are to be formed as sentence. Sometimes it is also to be called as phrase. The incomplete sentence are to be called as the phrases, and the complete sentence, the complete formation it gives the full meaning is to be called as sentences. Now in this class today, we focus on and about the sentences. First, the definition of the sentence is very important. What is sentence? Sentence is a group of words which gives the full meaning. This is to be called as sentence. The sentence is a medium to express anything about the language. So, the sentence forms an elaborate learning of the grammar. Now the classification of sentences. In the different occasions, we did not use a one kind of sentence. The mood, the situation, according to that, we are using the different kinds of sentences. That is to be called as classification of sentences. In English grammar, there are 4 classification are there. One is to be called as statement. The statement is also to be called as declarative sentence and assertive sentence. First one, statement, declarative or assertive sentence. Second one, interrogative sentence. Third one, imperative sentence. And last one, exclamatory sentence. Once again, the sentences are classified into the 4 kinds according to the grammar. First one, statement. The statement also to be called as declarative sentence. Declarative sentence also to be called as assertive sentence. Second one, interrogative sentence. Third one, imperative sentence. And finally, the last one is to be called as exclamatory sentence. Okay, dear students, let's we discuss about one by one elaborately. The structure and the formation of the sentences are very important to identify which kind of the sentence it was, and also it is very helpful to you to do the different segments of the grammar, like change of active voice into the passive voice, to the reported speech, dialogue writing, speech writing, letter writing. So for all the aspect you have to identify the kind of sentence. That's why the learning of the basic concept of the sentences are very important. So on that aspect, we discuss about the kinds of sentence one by one elaborately. First one, the statement. The statement also to be called as declarative sentence and assertive sentence. Already I told you. The statement means what we want to express in the form of answer. So we have to declare what we know. So we have to assertize what we want to. So the statement is always in the form of answer. So we want to express anything by using the statement. It means it is always the answer. So it is always what you know about. That is to be called as the statement. It may be method that 4 kinds of families. you know, the father, husband, mother, wife, and children. That is, it is to be clarified as subject, verb, and object. So, the same way, the statement is also having the classifications subject, verb, as well as object.